This is the homepage of our app with the tagline and the name. The next we move to the welcome the instructions page for our app that enables and tells user as and how they're supposed to proceed after clicking on a button that ensures smooth experience. The first button we are going to go through is check connectivity button. This button helps in ensuring whether or not the user is connected or have has an active internet connection. As you can see, currently the text there is you're connected to internet through Wi-Fi. And as I scroll down, you can see that I'm connected to through Wi-Fi. If I switch off the Wi-Fi and turn on the mobile data, the text then changes to that you're connected to internet through mobile data. If I turn off both mobile data and Wi-Fi, the screen then changes to tell me that I'm not connected to internet through either of the means. I can choose any of the following options to connect to the internet. That is, either I can switch on the mobile data or switch on the Wi-Fi. Both of the buttons are provided on the home screen as well for the direct access of the user. As I click on switch on the Wi-Fi, here I'm provided a set of instructions which we have ensured that do not exceed a number of two, and then are redirected to the required location to perform the action showed on this page. As you can see, I'm redirected to the Wi-Fi page, and here I can turn the toggle button on as I was showed on the previous screen. Now I am again showed that I'm connected to the internet through Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, mobile data, as well as the airplane mode button all use the same pattern of giving the user a maximum of two instructions and then redirecting them to the required location. We have chosen a maximum of two instructions because giving them more than two instructions would be exactly like asking someone else to help, and that is exactly opposite for what our app aims for. The next button we're going to go through is how to save a contact. I've used the required validators in two of the fields there. That is, the first name is required for a contact to be saved, and the mobile number should be a valid one. Enter the required details here to save a contact. And then I click on save. I'm told that the contact is saved, and I'm given an option whether or not I want to add more contacts or not. Then we move to the WhatsApp call button. Here, I'm first asked to pick a contact so as to avoid confusion. Here we have used the permission handler and the contact picker package to take the permission from the user to access their contacts and contact picker to choose the contact henceforth. Choose the same contact we saved. And now you can see there are two buttons available. As stated before, these buttons were not available before because so as to avoid confusion as to which button they're supposed to click. Then they can choose either of the video call or the voice call. Then they're shown a GIF telling them which button to click for a window of 6 seconds, and they're automatically redirected to the WhatsApp of that person, of the contact they've chosen. Same goes for the voice call as well. Next, we move to making a phone call button. This here you can either choose a contact or enter the number manually to make a phone call. The pick a contact button works in the same way as it was in the WhatsApp button. Here again, I've used the required validators. Here we have used the required validators to ensure that our user does not enter an invalid number. The clear button clears the data entered